Everyone's using AI wrong. They type a lazy question, get a mediocre answer, and conclude the AI is dumb. The AI isn't the problem. The prompt is. Prompt engineering is the skill of asking AI for exactly what you want, and it's quietly becoming one of the most valuable skills in tech. Here's the core truth. An AI model is incredibly capable, but it can't read your mind. It only knows what you put in the prompt. Give it a vague request, and it has to guess what you meant. Give it a precise one, and its full power is suddenly aimed at your goal. Let's learn the techniques that transform mediocre answers into brilliant ones, starting with the simplest and most ignored. Technique 1. Give a role. Tell the AI to act as an expert in the exact field you need. You are a senior security analyst. This single sentence shifts the entire tone, depth, and vocabulary of the response. You're choosing which expert answers you. Technique 2. Be specific about the output. Don't just ask for help. Say exactly what form you want it in. A list, a table, 3 options. Vague in, vague out. The more clearly you describe the finished thing you want, the closer the AI lands to it. Technique 3. Give context. The AI doesn't know your situation unless you tell it. The background, the audience, the constraints. A prompt with rich context is like a brief to a brilliant freelancer. The better the brief, the better the work. Every time. Technique 4. And this one feels like magic. Give examples. Show the AI 1 or 2 examples of what good looks like. This is called few-shot prompting. The model learns the pattern from your examples and matches it. Incredibly powerful for consistent results. Technique 5. Tell it to think step by step. For anything complex, ask the AI to reason through the problem before giving an answer. This simple instruction dramatically improves accuracy on hard problems. You're letting it work instead of forcing a snap guess. Now let's combine them. A weak prompt says, write me an email. A strong one sets a role, the context, the tone, the length, and an example. Same model, same 5 seconds, wildly different result. That gap is entirely the skill of the person typing. Here's a pro move: iterate. Your first prompt is a draft. Read the answer, see what's missing, and refine. Treat it as a conversation. The best prompters don't write one perfect prompt. They steer, correct, and zoom in until the output is exactly right. Another powerful trick: ask the AI to ask you questions first. Before you answer, ask me anything you need to know. Suddenly, it gathers the missing pieces instead of guessing, and the final answer is built on your actual situation. Now, a warning: the AI can be confidently wrong. It can state false things as fact. This is called hallucination. So never blindly trust a critical answer. Ask it to cite sources, to double-check itself, and verify anything that truly matters. And understand its limits. It doesn't know events after its training, and it can't truly access your private data unless you give it. The people who win with AI aren't the ones who trust it most. They're the ones who direct it best and check it carefully. Let's talk about a structure that works for almost any serious prompt. Role, task, context, format, and examples. Who should the AI be? What exactly do you want? What's the background? What shape should the answer take? And what does good look like? Internalize that structure, and you'll get better results than 90% of people on any AI tool that exists. Because here's where this is heading. As AI gets more powerful, the bottleneck isn't the AI. It's the human's ability to direct it. The person who can clearly articulate exactly what they want will outperform someone with a more powerful model and a lazy prompt. So practice. Take a boring task and try to write the perfect prompt for it. Then improve it. This skill compounds fast. You don't need to code. You don't need a degree. You just need to learn to ask with precision, clarity, and a little creativity. Master that, and you hold one of the highest leverage skills of this entire era. The ability to make AI do exactly what you want. If this leveled up how you use AI, subscribe. We make you genuinely good at this stuff every week. Real tech, zero hype.